So what day are we today of our endless voyage?
Me for Daddy.
5 days.
5 days? Okay.
Mommy.
Traveling for 5 days now?
For Daddy.
No end in sight. Subscribe?
Yeah, I'll search this one.
Okay. Thank you. Salamat. So now we're headed off to Seaside, right, babe? Let the kids do some ICESKATING, right? And games and stuff like that.
Sa labas. Iba kasi talaga kapag nandito ka lang locally, iba yung value system. At pag lumabas tayo, pinapakita talaga natin who is the Filipino. The Filipino that should be contended with. So let us celebrate again as well our identity as Filipinos and as descendants of our heroes. The Visayas Command, thank you very much for keeping the armed forces as part of the milestones, especially for SEASIDE and for Cebu City. And some other sabihin natin valuation that we should always be worthy of the services that we render not only to the individual, not only to the people, not only to the community, but to our flag and country. So,
Uh-oh. What do you think, Vincent? Do you want to do this? You want to do this or go take a nap? You want to go take a nap? No? You want to play here?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. What, you like them or no? Huh? H&M, I think. He said.
god.
This one. She likes this one. Jan is giving up on me.
Hmm?
This the one I saw on Instagram. I supposed to order there.
Which ones?
Hello Kitty. This one. Squad skates.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Huh?
Dito
Okay.
muna tayo.
Oh, that's new, I think. Ice bumper cars, huh?
Ay, wait. Kapit na tayo.
Hindi ako marunong mag-drive eh.
Well, because you look like Barbie, babe. Filipina Barbie.
First time tayo dito, nakakapita ko yun. Nakakainis ako, tapos naka-skirt. Ano talaga? Barbie. Ang kaya naman. Ganito yung suot ko. Haba na. Matang ang normal.
Maraming tao talaga.
Nakakainis.
Salamat. Nakatagal na no? Ano ba ganyan mo? Tiguan ka na? Isa mo. Matong. Uy, di man. Ay, balik ka.
Mayo apple. Oh yeah, they do.
Baka na nakatono. Bagay si mo ako. Okay. Kuan man. Gamay ba? Very small.
Actually, that even looks like some of your outfits, no? Oh.
Six?
Holy smokes.
Yung ano kuya, yung ganon, yung isa, you know, yung pink na parang version ganon. It's so,
Huh?
it's so small.
Does he have other sizes?
Iba pa size nito. Small is there. Fit? 37 dito eh.
It's just like ice skating. Same. The good old days. Oh well.
It looks like for raising, no.
It is.
It is?
Yeah.
You own this one?
Huh?
You own this
One more time. How's it go? So basically, I traded that for that.
Oh,
Yeah, I think it was a good deal.
But this really made in the Philippines.
Ask. Maybe. We'll
see,
find
we're
out.
here now in Cebu Guitar.
And here we are.
There's a pink, oh, so many.
Wow, many.
I told you. You can find here.
Good call. Huh?
Absolutely.
Great job.
Great job.